Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. PayPal's cryptocurrency partner has seen 500% growth. That's right, folks, you didn't hear that wrong. 500% growth in a single month. Now, if that doesn't tell you there's demand, I don't know what does. And you can bet that it's not so much the volume, but you can see that there's a lot of new money flowing from PayPal users into Bitcoin. I think that is no small part of the reason that crypto actually has been rising a lot lately. And it's because it's like raw new money flowing in. It's not like money coming in and coming out because you can't like PayPal users can't really take money out because they never had money in. So it's just raw money coming in. And they're doing so like through these partner cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, I think how this works is like when you execute a trade or buy through PayPal, PayPal does go through an exchange like this. So cryptocurrency partner Paxos IBIT exchange trading volume surged a whopping 500% to 26.57 million on November 13th from 4.141 million a month ago. So PayPal is partnering with them. That's when you buy via PayPal. You are buying with it via ItBit exchange, I believe. So the top BTC USD exchanges, Coinbase Pro and Kraken, saw volumes of 104 million and 37.62 million, respectively. But the thing is, like, now you have ItBit, which was like fairly small in the US, all of a sudden surged to actually get within striking range of something like Kraken. ItBit's 24 hours stood at 6.8 million, dropping in line with the wider market. With a significant uptick in volume on the exchange follows its partnership with PayPal and the financial technologies company's cryptocurrency foray. So like I said, like massive demand coming in from PayPal. And I think it will actually go up. And remember, like PayPal hasn't even brought in like Venmo and other stuff like that yet. Once it actually brings that in, PayPal might actually make its own coin. This is going to be really huge. And so it's like really the sky's the limit for this. This month, PayPal said it would add cryptocurrency services to its Venmo app by the first half of 2021. I know like all my friends use Venmo. I have it too. I don't really use it that much, but a lot of my friends do. And also allow international users to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency by the same time frame. So like the thing is like first half of next year, I think like there's a very good chance that we'll break 20,000 if we haven't broken it this year. Maybe like we'll probably even pump maybe past 25 or 30,000 because of these monumental moves by PayPal. And PayPal like like people have compared PayPal to Bakkt, but it's not the same thing at all. Because Bakkt only crypto people knew about, and it wasn't even really an exchange. It was futures, which even less people knew about. Whereas PayPal is broad based and basically it attracts people outside of crypto. So Bakkt wasn't going to attract any new money in, whereas PayPal can actually attract a lot of new retail money in, and that's a big deal. PayPal CEO Daniel Schuman said the move was the beginning of the opportunities in relation to the company's cryptocurrency foray and said it would work with regulators to accept new forms of digital currencies. PayPal shares closed 0.25% lower at $188.62 on Friday. So that's the thing. Like, there's massive money and demand coming in from retail investors that maybe just aren't comfortable with cryptocurrency exchanges, that don't really know how to get in, that don't want to venture and explore, but they actually really want to get into crypto, and I think PayPal is giving them a way into that. Now, yes, eventually I think they'll leave PayPal and go to Coinbase, Binance, etc., or maybe even PayPal's partner exchange. But Venmo, PayPal is going to have a huge surge of millions of users into the market, especially like when they're allowed to actually custody it. And like PayPal is definitely going to be pushing this service because realistically, if you think about it, I've been talking about this before. The more money that's in cryptocurrency and PayPal, the better for PayPal it is. They're going to have so much working capital, and so much working capital in their system allows them to do like loans, exchange, and do like business much more than they have before. So PayPal, without actually putting too much of their own money in, they want as much working capital from their users as possible. So this is going to be something that PayPal is going to push, and I think PayPal will actually be the thing that actually spurs one of the major spurs of the next bull run, especially with Venmo and everything coming in. And with PayPal coming in, I do believe other services eventually have to come in order to compete. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.